Over the past months, we have gone through changes in our lives, and some of us have found more time on our hands. This has led many of us to turn to social media to keep things cheerful. One app that has been dominating is TikTok. TikTok is a video-based platform for teens to creatively express themselves with entertaining videos and dance challenges. TikTok is a free app to download which most teens use. It is advisable to play an active role in their online experience about internet safety and online privacy options. So how can you keep your teen safe? With private account settings, your teen can deny followers and restrict their uploaded content and incoming messages to followers only. If your teen's profile is public, anyone who has TikTok can view their videos. However, only approved followers can send messages. Remember, even with a private account, the profile photo, username, and bio are visible to others. Get started by clicking on the Privacy tab and you can start changing the settings. Family pairing links a parent's TikTok account to their teen's account. Once this is enabled, you can control the digital well-being features, which include screen time management, direct message controls, and restricted mode. Start the pairing process by scanning the QR code on your teen's device to enable family pairing features. You are all set up for a safe and secure experience. Don't forget to check out all our other videos here on Discovery Playlist. See you all again soon.